Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. We are so happy to see you here today.
Today, we have a very practical topic. We are talking about the morning routine.
That's right, Emma. A morning routine is what you do every day after you wake up. It is one of the most common topics in English conversations.
Exactly. Whether you are talking to a friend, a colleague, or an examiner for an English test, you need to know how to describe your morning.
So in this episode, we will learn vocabulary, useful phrases, and listen to a story to improve your English skills.
Let's get started.
Okay, first, let's look at some important vocabulary words. These are nouns and verbs we use in the morning. We have 15 words for you.
Word number 1 is alarm. The alarm is the sound that wakes you up. Most people use their phones as an alarm.
Word number 2 is snooze. This is a button you press when you want to sleep for 5 or 10 more minutes.
Word number 3 is stretch. Stretch means to extend your arms and legs to wake up your muscles.
Word number 4 is robe. A robe, or a bathrobe, is a loose coat you wear inside the house, usually after a shower.
Word number 5 is skincare. This is the routine of cleaning and putting cream on your face.
Word number 6 is outfit. An outfit is the set of clothes you choose to wear for the day.
Word number 7 is kettle, a machine used to boil water for tea or coffee.
Word number 8 is cereal, a common breakfast food made from grain eaten with milk.
Word number 9 is leftovers. This is food remaining from the night before. Some people eat leftovers for breakfast.
Word number 10 is commute. Your commute is the journey from your home to your job or school.
Word number 11 is rush, means hurry or move very fast because you don't have time.
Word number 12 is make the bed. This means organizing your pillows and sheets to make your bed look tidy.
Word number 13 is packed lunch, food you prepare at home to take to work or school.
Word number 14 is meditation. It means sitting quietly to calm your mind.
Word number 15 is podcast, just like this one, audio that you listen to while you get ready.
Great job with the vocabulary. Now let's learn 15 common expressions or phrases. These are phrases native speakers use all the time.
Number 1, rise and shine. This is a cheerful way to tell someone to wake up.
As example, come on, Emma, rise and shine. It's a beautiful day.
Number 2, sleep in. To sleep later than usual, usually on weekends.
As example, I love to sleep in on Sundays.
Number 3, an early bird. A person who likes to wake up early.
As example, my dad is an early bird. He wakes up at 5 a.m.
Number 4, a night owl. The opposite. It means someone who stays up late and hates mornings.
As example, I am definitely a night owl.
Number 5, get ready. It means to prepare yourself for the day. Shower, clothes, food.
As example, it takes me 1 hour to get ready.
Number 6, grab a bite. It means to eat something quickly.
As example, I didn't have time for a big breakfast, so I just grabbed a bite.
Number 7, head out. It means to leave the house.
As example, I need to head out by 8 a.m.
Number 8, freshen up. It means to wash your face and brush your teeth quickly to feel clean.
Number 9, beat the traffic. This means to leave early so you avoid heavy car traffic.
If we leave now, we can beat the traffic.
Number 10, have a lie in. This is British English. It means to stay in bed longer in the morning.
Number 11, kickstart the day. It means to start the day with energy.
As example, I drink coffee to kickstart my day.
Number 12, run late. It means when you are behind schedule.
As example, sorry, I'm running late.
Number 13, stick to a routine. To do the same things every day without changing.
Number 14, skip breakfast. It means to decide not to eat breakfast.
It is not healthy to skip breakfast.
Number 15, put on makeup. It means to apply cosmetics to your face.
Now, let's practice. Jack and I will act out a conversation.
In this scene, we are a married couple. It is a busy morning on Tuesday. Listen for the verbs wake up, wash my face, brush my teeth, make breakfast, check my phone, get dressed, and leave home. Good morning, Emma. Did you hear the alarm?
Good morning. Yes, I woke up 10 minutes ago, but I stayed in bed. I'm so tired.
Me too, but we have to move. I need to use the bathroom first. I need to wash my face to wake up.
Okay, go ahead. I will check my phone for emails while I wait.
I'm done. The bathroom is yours.
Thanks. I'm going to brush my teeth and take a quick shower. Can you go to the kitchen?
Sure, I will make breakfast. Do you want toast or cereal?
Just toast and coffee, please. We're running late.
Okay, I'm starting the coffee machine now. Hurry up and get dressed.
I'm ready. I chose this blue shirt. Where are my keys?
They are on the table. Here is your coffee in a travel cup.
Perfect. Thank you. Okay, let's leave home. If we leave now, we can catch the 8:15 bus.
Let's go. Scene ends. Did you hear all the phrases?
It was a fast morning. We used wake up, wash my face, brush my teeth, make breakfast, check phone, get dressed, and leave home. Now it is time for a story. Sit back and relax.
I will tell a story about a man named Tom. I will speak slowly. Listen carefully because Emma will ask you questions at the end. So, Tom usually loves mornings, but today was different. His alarm rang at 6:30 a.m., but he was very sleepy. He pressed the snooze button and went back to sleep. Suddenly, he woke up again. He looked at the clock. It was 7:15 a.m. He was late. Tom jumped out of bed. He did not have time to do his full exercise routine. He only did 5 minutes of stretching. He ran to the bathroom to freshen up. He washed his face with cold water and brushed his teeth very fast. He went to the bedroom to get dressed. He wanted to wear his favorite blue suit, but he saw a stain on the jacket. "Oh no," Tom said. He had to choose a different outfit. He put on a gray shirt and black trousers. In the kitchen, Tom usually makes eggs and coffee. Today, he only grabbed a banana and a glass of orange juice. He grabbed his laptop bag and ran to the door. When he stepped outside, he realized it was raining heavily. He forgot his umbrella inside. He had to run back inside to get it. Finally, Tom headed out to the bus stop. Luckily, the bus was late too, so he caught it just in time.
So, poor Tom. That was a stressful morning. Okay, listeners, here are 5 questions to check your understanding. Try to answer them. Question 1. What time did he actually wake up? He woke up at 7:15 a.m. Question 2. What did he do instead of his full exercise routine? He did 5 minutes of stretching. Question 3. Why didn't he wear his blue suit? Because there was a stain on the jacket. Question 4. What did Tom eat for breakfast? He ate a banana and drank orange juice. Question 5. What was the weather like? It was raining heavily.
Well done, everyone. You finished the episode.
Today we learned vocabulary like snooze and commute, expressions like rise and shine, and we practiced a stressful morning.
If you liked this episode, please subscribe to our channel.
And here's your homework. Tomorrow morning, describe what you are doing in English while you do it. Say, I am brushing my teeth, or I am making coffee.
It's a great way to practice. Have a wonderful morning, day, or night.
See you next time. Bye.